Hi, my name is Adam Havrilla. It is June. It is the time to be outdoors and celebrating all that is summer. This gorgeous arrangement will take the nature into the flowers and be perfect from day to night. Let's start building that armature that we need for this design. True story, I'm a little bit of a hoarder. We cut down some stuff in our yard and I had these branches and I knew one day they would come in handy, and they are coming in handy today. So I just have a pile of branches. Cylinder vase, you can use a round vase, square vase, really whatever you would like to use would be absolutely fine. And then I'm using bind wire to connect the branches. You can certainly use yarn, you can use zip ties. You're not gonna see it, it's just bind wire works best for me. First thing we're going to do is let's start with a couple of pieces within the vase. And then I'm going to put one across like so. And this is where you want to start binding your joints. So I'm just gonna put this around here. Give it a nice twist so it's secure. And by doing an armature, it's going to hold all of our flowers in place and give us that completed finished look. And then we'll put another one going across. There is really no rhyme or reason for this. Do whatever way works for you. We just want to make sure the branches are going up and they're going out to hold all of those lights on it, to give us that beautiful glow. Turn that. And you just keep doing this all the way through. And if there's wires there, that's why I don't cut them off, because you can use the same wire to secure another branch to it. There's no reason to always cut them off. I'll put another couple throughout. But isn't that kind of cool? Just from branches that I was going to toss away and I saved, and now I can take them and use it for this. And then you just cut off the excess pieces. I've already mixed our floral food with the water. We just pour it in. A little bit more. And our armature is ready for our beautiful flowers. Armature is ready, bouquet is separated. And I know I say this all the time, but I absolutely love these colors. I still am so excited every time I see flowers because they make me happy. As I know you know that because they make you happy too. That's why you have them. But it just makes me so excited. All right, let's begin our flowers. Let's add our ruscus. And we can feed it right into the armature. Do you see how that armature kept that from falling over? You just feed it in between the branches and it keeps exactly where you want them. So we have the ruscus in, and now we have some beautiful color enhanced euryngenium. See how these colors just look beautiful with the branches? Obsessed about this. Next is our lily. Put that through, making sure you have enough room for that to open. Our beautiful bonbons. And do you see white balances white? We're evenly placed for the colors. Next, we'll add the Armature. And if you look at it, we have white going all the way around the exterior. We also have white in the center. That's what keeps that color balanced for us. Now, our gorgeous tinted carnations. One on that side and one over in the back. See how it's evenly colors throughout the whole thing. Absolutely stunning. Next are tequila daisies. Make sure we push it in a little bit. We'll do one on the other side, but we can take some of these long pieces off. If you get one that has all these gorgeous long ones, take them off and we'll put them in a separate insertion. It's June and I am sure the outdoor festivities are happening. That's why I thought, what could we do to bring the outdoors with the branches, with the lights we're gonna add to it for when the sun starts to go down. This centerpiece will have a beautiful twinkle to it. This will be absolutely stunning for any setting. Put it in your backyard and enjoy every moment. Quicksand roses, beautiful. Make sure we put one down here as a focal, and we're gonna do the other one opposite of that. Over here. So that is our bouquet. Do you see how much larger it looks because of these branches swooping these flowers out? It has such a more visual component to it. Now let's add in, dry this off a little bit, let's add in our finishing touch. So I picked up these fairy lights. I wanted this to glow a little bit, so we're gonna take these. It just gives a nice glow. And simply we're gonna wrap them around some of the branches into the flowers. And when it starts to get a little dusk out and the sun is going down, now your centerpiece will glow beautifully. And it's just another element. What I like to do is I don't turn them on until it's time, because then it's a nice little surprise that, oh, the centerpiece is glowing. How beautiful is that? I love surprises in design. Yes, they'll see the lights, but at least it'll be a nice surprise when it goes on. And then the battery pack, I just take and I put it into the design, underneath the flower, sitting on top of the armature so you don't even see it. You can do as many lights as you like on this, but how beautiful is that? This transitions from day to night. It creates a special moment for you and your guests. I hope you love it. I hope you have a great June, and I look forward to seeing you next month.